Students, today we will derive Heron's formula. Heron's formula is also known as Hero formula. Suppose we have a triangle ABC in which we assume BC side A, AC side B and AB side C. ABC is the length of these sides BC, CA and AB. Draw AD perpendicular BC. Then we assume AD is equal to H, BD is equal to X. If we assume BD is equal to X, then DC will be A minus X. BC is A and BD is X, then CD will be A minus X. Now we can apply in triangle ABD Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know that the sum of the square of two sides of a triangle is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. Then we can write x square plus h square is equal to c square. Then we will have h square is equal to c square minus x square. This one consider as equation 1. Again in triangle ACD, we again apply Pythagoras theorem. Then we can write a minus x whole square plus h square is equal to b square. Then we can write h square is equal to b square minus a minus x whole square. This one consider as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, equating equation 1 and 2, their LHS sides are equal, then their RHS side will be equal. Then we will have c square minus x square is equal to b square minus a minus x whole square. Transpose a minus x whole square to LHS side, then it will be plus a minus x whole square minus x square is equal to b square plus c square will be transposed to RHS side, then it will be minus c square. Then now you can see that it is in the form of a square minus b square. Then we can write a plus b, a minus b. Then it will be a minus x plus x, a minus x minus x is equal to, here in RHS side there is b square minus c square. Then we can write b square minus c square. Minus x plus x will be cancel out, then it will be a minus x minus 2x is equal to b square minus c square. A into a, it will be a square minus a into 2x, it will be minus 2ax is equal to b square minus c square. A square plus b square, b square will be transposed to LHS side, it will be minus b square. Minus c square will be transposed to LHS side, it will be plus c square is equal to minus 2ax will be transposed to RHS side, it will be plus 2ax. Then x will be a square plus c square minus b square upon 2a. From equation 1, we have equation 1 h square is equal to c square minus x square. Then we can write h square is equal to c square minus x is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon 2a whole square. h square will be c square minus this, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Then we can write down a minus b, a plus b. In place of a we have c, in place of b we have a square plus c square minus b square by 2b. Then it will be c minus a square plus c square minus b square upon 2a, and it is in the form of a minus b, and then it will be a plus b. In place of a we have c, plus in place of b we just write a square plus c square minus b square upon 2a. Then it will be 2ac minus a square minus c square plus b square upon 2a, and it will be 2ac plus a square plus c square minus b square upon 2a. Then we can write down plus b square. We take minus 1 as a common from these three terms, then it will be minus bracket a square plus c square minus 2ac upon 2a, plus 2ac plus a square plus c square, it will be a plus c whole square minus b square upon 2a. b square minus this one, like this one, a square plus c square minus 2ac, it is in the form of a minus c whole square upon 2a. It is a plus c whole square minus b square upon 2a. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square, then we can write a minus b, a plus b upon 2a. It is also in the form of a square minus b square, then we can write a plus b, a minus b upon 2a. Now in triangle ABC, we know that sum of three sides of a triangle will give the perimeter, and when perimeter divided by 2 will give semi perimeter, and semi perimeter is S. Then we can write a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Then we can find a plus b is equal to 2s minus c. This value a plus b, in place of a plus b we can write 2s minus a plus b. In place of a plus b we can write 2s minus c. Then in place of a plus b we can write 2s minus c, it will be minus 2c. Similarly, b plus c we can write 2s minus a minus 2a upon 2a. Same, a plus b plus c, it will be 2s. A plus c will be 2s minus b minus 2b upon 2a. Then 2 will be common, then it will be s minus c. From this factor 2 also common, then it will be s minus a upon 2a. From here 2 will be cancelled out, and from this factor 2s minus 2b we will take common, then it will be 2s bracket s minus b upon a. 2 into 2 will be 4 s, this s, and s minus a, and s minus b, and s minus c upon a into a, it will be a square. Then 4s bracket s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon a square, it is the value of h square. It means h square is equal to this. H square is equal to this, then h will be square root of 4 will be 2 under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon square root of a square will be a. Now we can find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height. Half into base. Base will be when we draw perpendicular AD on BC, then BC as a base and AD as a height. Then in place of base we just put A. Then half into, in place of base we just write A into, in place of h height we just put 2 bracket s under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon a. Then a will be cancel out, 2 will be cancel out, then it will be under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square units. This one is known as Heron's formula or Hero formula.